In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supabase API key on Google AI Studio website. We'll walk through the process from your Supabase dashboard to your project inside Google AI Studio so you can connect the key in a simple, organized way. First, go to your Supabase projects page. This is where all of your Supabase projects are listed, and it's the starting point for finding the API credentials connected to the project you want to use. Once you're there, find the correct project, click the three-dot menu, and open Settings. This takes you into the project's configuration area where the API-related options are located. Next, click on API Keys. In this section, you'll see the different keys available for that project. For this task, look specifically for the publishable key. That's the one you'll need here, so make sure you're selecting the correct key before continuing. When you find the publishable key, click the copy icon to copy it to your clipboard. As a quick tip, be careful when handling keys and avoid sharing them publicly or pasting them anywhere unintended. After that, go to Google AI Studio and open your website or app workspace. This is the place where you'll provide the instruction that includes your Supabase key so the setup can be used in your project context. Now, in the prompt area, type your prompt and include your Supabase API key. The goal here is to give the AI a clear, structured instruction so it can work with your database endpoints in the way you want. Make sure the prompt is specific and easy to understand, since clearer instructions usually lead to better results. Finally, click Send Prompt. That submits your instruction to Google AI Studio and completes the process. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Supabase publishable API key and added it into your Google AI Studio workflow.